welcome back to my channel. Today on the menu we'll be making some Guyanese cassareep chicken stew. This one is not very popular, but I had a craving for it and decided to share the recipe with you guys. So to get started, I have the chicken already well seasoned and I'll be using some carrots, potatoes, and I have the cassareep here. You can find this on Amazon or any Caribbean market. It's a popular Guyanese brown sauce made from cassava or yuca. We use it at Christmas time to make pepper pot, but it could be used in a variety of different ways. I also have some bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger. I have thyme, green onions, cilantro, parsley, and for the seasonings, I'll be using some mushroom seasoning, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, and black pepper. So I'm using one small whole chicken here. I cut it up into bite sizes and wash with lemon juice. And I'm using some cassareep as well to season the chicken, along with some paprika, garlic and onion powder, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, mushroom seasoning, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some fresh green seasoning. What I did was added all of my seasonings to the chicken along with some of that brown sauce, and I mix it really well to combine. I then set it aside and allow it to marinate for about 2 hours before cooking. To a preheated pot, I will now go in with my chicken. I did add some oil first. Once the oil is heated, we'll now add the chicken and we'll give it a good mix. Then we'll sit the lid on and allow this chicken to release all of its moisture. Once the moisture is released, I'll show you guys the next step. After about 15 minutes, the chicken has released a lot of moisture. What we'll do next is allow the moisture to evaporate. We'll leave it uncovered so that it can evaporate faster. So at this point, the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Next, we can add our aromatics. We'll go in with our onions, garlic, ginger, bell peppers. We'll give it a good stir and allow it to go for about 3 minutes. So at this point, you want to add your carrots and potatoes as well as the seasonings to add flavor and taste to the dish. Please remember that you can use whatever seasonings you like here or what you have on hand. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Then you want to go in with some of that cassareep to add some more flavor and some brightness, color to the dish. Then we'll add some hot water, covering the potatoes and the chicken and stuff. You want to add hot water so you don't slow up the cooking process. At first, when you add the water, the stew will look like it doesn't have enough color, but remember to add color a little at a time. You don't want to add too much and make the stew black and too dark. That's not appetizing. You want a nice color in your stew, but you don't want it too dark. So be mindful of how you're adding color, because as this cooks, the color will develop into a darker brown. You have to give it time to cook and then it will develop and it will look darker. So don't add too much at once. Then we'll add some thyme and some habanero peppers. I like my heat in there. We will cover this and allow the potatoes to become nice and tender and the stew to thicken. So lastly, we'll go in with the rest of our herbs. That's our green onions, parsley, and cilantro. We'll give it a good mix, and that's it, guys. The cassareep chicken stew is finally done. My mouth is literally watering. I cannot wait to dig into this. I just had this craving, and now I will turn the heat off and get ready to plate up. So I played this up with some plain white rice and some fresh vegetables on the side. It was absolutely delicious, guys. When I tell you, mouth watering, it was so good. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.